Hi everybody, this is Paul at Reliable POD and this is a video on how to install our Shopify app into your Shopify store. So first thing is come into your Shopify store, click on apps, search for Reliable. There you'll find us. Add the app into the store. Click on install. And that should give you this screen. What you then need to do is sign up for free. If you click on the sign up for free, enter your details here and click sign up. That'll send an email across to you. You must confirm your email address, so please check your spam folder that you've received it. Click here to return to the login page. Enter your details back in and sign into the app, and then you'll be presented with this page. Just to note that we do have a direct link to our portal which connects to your store, so you don't have to actually log into Shopify. And to connect your store with our portal, just after you've set up your Shopify account, just log in here with your username and password and that'll automatically link to the store. If you are working within the app, you're much better off clicking full screen view there. That will pop you out so you've got a much better screen to work with. So once you're logged in, what you then want to do is add your details. If you want to add a payment method at this stage, you can do. The app is free of charge, so you want to get charged if you order any products. You want to configure your general settings, which are here, so you can create your username, change your password. We'd really appreciate your contact information in here, so we know who to contact if there are any issues. If you don't have a company name, just put your own name in there or your email address, and we'd like your mailing address there. Any tax ID numbers, please insert them in here. And then down here you've just got a couple of switches. When you're creating manual products, we turn off the upload images to image library because you don't want personalized images in there all the time, but you can turn that on if you want. And then if you want to turn these off, you can do. We don't send out many emails or much updated news, probably 2-3 times a month, something like that. So if you don't want to receive them, please turn those off. And once you've done them, you're all set. One thing you do need to do in order to allow personalization on your store, that's fully automated personalization, is you need to give the app permission to do that. And in order to do that, if you come across to your online store in settings in Shopify, if you click on it, and then you'll see it comes up with theme. If it's a new store, you'll have the Dawn theme installed, but it's the same for any theme really that you install. If you then click on customize, and then over on the left hand side here you will see what they call app embeds. If you click that and then turn the Reliable POD app on, and that will allow full customization into your Shopify store. If you want to learn how to create products or how to push products to your store and pricing on the website, we have a link to how-to tutorials, and that shows you how to create numerous different products, how to add personalized fields, how to use image gallery, how to do manual orders. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there and videos that you can watch to help you along. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.